Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best fly sprays for horses that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the EcoVet Horsefly Spray. The EcoVet Fly Repellent Horse Spray uses a silicone-based formula that repels flies and other insects. Unlike most other fly sprays for horses, the best natural spray for horseflies doesn't contain ingredients that may irritate the skin, especially if your horse is sensitive to certain ingredients. This spray has an easy-to-apply formula that leaves a scent of natural lavender and sage. However, the odor may be too strong for some horse owners and horses if they are sensitive to fragrances. Moving on at number 4, we have the Farnam SimpliFly Feed-Through Fly Control for horses. The Farnam SimpliFly Feed-Through suits horse owners seeking an alternative to horsefly sprays. The formula includes larva stop fly growth regulator and diflubenzuron to stop a fly population from developing. All you need to do is add the pellets to your horse's feed to repel insects. The pellets don't contain the pesticide organophosphate, which while commonly used in insecticides, can be toxic at high levels. The pellets quickly pass through the manure to deter a breeding ground for flies. Keep in mind that the feed may not eliminate the entire fly population. Our veterinarian experts find the supplements to be a great addition to a horse's fly prevention protocol. At number 3, we have the Absorbent UltraShield Red Fly Spray. Most horse owners know pesky ticks can latch onto their horses. The Absorbent UltraShield Red is a horse fly spray that works against several other insects, including ticks. Our vets chose this spray as the most suitable for tick prevention. It can reduce the risk of your horse getting a tick bite and becoming sick. It contains 5 active ingredients to protect your horse during trail rides and other adventures. However, these ingredients may irritate your horse if they have sensitive skin. At number 2, we have the Kensington UViator CatchMask Horsefly Mask. Your horse may need sun protection and fly prevention in the hot summer months. The Kensington CatchMask is a horse face mask that keeps flies away from your horse's face and reduces the chances of sunburn. Available in 3 colors and sizes, these fly masks are designed for everyday wear and overnight use. Our veterinarians chose this mask because it can provide supplemental fly and sun protection for light-haired or light-skinned horses. A potential downside is you'll likely need to purchase a spray or feed supplement to get more protection against flies and other insects. And finally at number 1, we have the SHOOFLY Horse Leggins. If left unprotected, your horse's feet and legs are vulnerable to biting flies that may carry disease. These fly leggings for horses have a plastic mesh that prevents flies from entering the boots. The design can also keep botflies from laying eggs in the boots. While fly sprays and repellents can wear off, fly leggings can last all day without having to reapply any product. Aside from fly protection, our veterinarians like these fly leggings for horses because they don't come loose or cause skin irritation to the horse. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon